Hi, yes. What we have here is a cat in the way. What we have here is a 1/16 scale RC car. A random 1/16 scale RC car. The battery pack that powers this is that thing right there. There it is, 1500 milliamps, 7.4 volts. Now the other day I found these. Those are for my other car. So when I found those, I was thinking to myself, if I could just find the remote control for this car, I would test out these batteries in the car. And I found the remote control. Now the only problem I have is with the weather. It's raining outside. Hey, how are you? Alright, so here we have my street. It's been raining for hours. So, hasn't rained for the past 2 weeks. Decided to rain today, hasn't stopped. Forecast to rain tomorrow and the day after. So I'm going to test this out indoors. Don't have the space for it, but we'll see how it ends up. We'll see how it turns out. Where's she going? Alright, anyway. Not sure how these batteries are going to stay in place, but I'll work something out. I've got to find some batteries for the remote control. Still haven't looked for those. I should have looked for them before I started recording. Could be a second problem. Alright, so found the batteries for the remote control. What I'll do now is first we'll test this out with this battery. See how it is. So as you can see with this one, I've already got these on there. Did these ages ago. Helps take the body pins off. Makes life a lot easier. And by the way, we have rear wheel steering. Just kidding, this is on the wrong way around. Right, so that is going to go in there, something like that. And then it wraps around like that. By the way, I'm doing all this with one hand whilst looking through the camera screen. Alright, so now the body can go back on and we can test it out. That way we'll have something to compare the bigger batteries with. Just going to put 2 of these on. That'll do. And here we are. Now the only thing with this is there's a bit of a delay between reverse and forwards. Alright, time to change the battery on it. Take that out. And then we'll put this one in. Now these are quite old. And if I put it down here on the floor, check this out. See that? Not supposed to happen. And when you take a look at it close up, you can see that it's swollen. So after I've used this, I'm probably going to get rid of it. We can put that there, and then I'll use this Velcro strap around it, like so. And there we have it, strapped in. All right, let's try this again. And by the way, the cats, they're right there, watching. All right, anyway, let's try this out. Ooh. All right, bit more power, nice. Clearly too much power for this amount of space. But I'm kind of surprised I didn't try this sooner. If only it wasn't raining. I don't think this is waterproof. Otherwise I'd try it. She has sharper claws than he does, but he's stronger than she is. So these bits right here need to be fixed. She cuts into them and he pulls them apart.